Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, we will solve a question on differential equation, which is a part of the syllabus of A-Level Mathematics P3. And this question will help you to understand or revise integration as well, because it's a very good question. I have selected 3 questions, so this is the first one. You will find the link of the other videos in the description. I have solved here so that video remains short. So let's see here. The question is talking about the variable x and y satisfy this differential equation, right? Which is given to you here, this one. And when we say solve the differential equation, it means we will get at the end equation of y in terms of x, right? So solve the differential equation mean get equation of y in terms of x. It doesn't mean you will get the answer. Like we say solve the equation, any other equation. So we get the answer in terms of numbers, but it is not the case in differential equation. And one condition is given to you, y is equals to 0 when x equals to 0. It will help us to find out the constant in the equation. So let's start. So I have written here the question for you. We know the first thing is we have to separate the variable y and x. Okay, so y is present in this term here, e to the power 3y, and sine square 2x. So I will apply the concept of separating the variable and separate these variables, right? Cross multiply. Now after that, we have to integrate both sides. Okay, so now I will apply here integration sign. Okay, so now what will I do here? First of all, you should know how to integrate exponential equation. So this one, e to the power minus 3y, what it will become? I will just show you. But important thing here is to focus on this. What happened here? Can you see how come sine square 2x became 1 minus cos 4x divided by 2? Remember always, whenever you have to integrate sine square theta or cos square theta, we always use the identity. And what is that identity? See here. It will be given to you in MF19. Okay, this is the main identity. And there are 2 more forms of this. One is this and other is this. So these 3 forms will be given to you in MF19. Because in the question I have sine square 2x, so I will focus on this form of the identity. From here I am making sine square theta a subject. So I have made it here. But the point here is, here I have theta and in the question I have 2x. It means it is 2 theta. So what will I do? If I will write here 2 theta, then this angle will become 4 theta. Why? Because when it was 1, it was 2. So that's why I have replaced sine square 2x by 1 minus cos 4x divided by 2. Because we can integrate it easily. Okay. So now you can see here I have integrated it, right? And here what I have done? 2 I have taken out, 1 upon 2, and what is left inside? 1 minus cos 4x. Okay. After that, integration of 1 with respect to dx will be x, and cos 4x will be sine 4x divided by 4. I have written here for you to remind you, when we differentiate sine x, it becomes cos x becomes minus sine x, tan x becomes sec square x. So when you are integrating, which is the reverse process, so when you are integrating cos x, it will become sine x. And because we have 4x, that's why 4 is going in the denominator. So I'm trying to revise the concept here as well so that you can recall all the previous concept as well. Okay, after that, because this condition was given to you when x is 0, y is 0, I am substituting in it to find out the value of c, which is called arbitrary constant, right? And whenever you integrate indefinite integral, you write plus c. Okay, so now I have substituted x0 and y 0. So now c is equals to minus 1 over 3. Just simple calculation you are doing here. So after that, in the equation which was here, this one, equation 1, you can see here, equation 1, in place of c, I am substituting minus 1 over 3 here. You can notice here, right? So now what you will do, your aim is here what? To make y a subject, because question was saying solve the differential equation, which means make y a subject. So now what did I do? Expand the bracket simply. Okay, after expanding the bracket, now what I am doing here, see, I am cross multiplying, or I am multiplying throughout by 3. Why I am doing this? Why I am multiplying by 3? Minus 3 rather, so that I have e power minus 3y separate. Because if I have to make y a subject, then y has to come down from the power to this side, and that is only possible if you have ln e power minus 3y. Only then you can apply power law and minus 3y will come here. So that's why first of all I have separated e power minus 3y. So minus 1 upon 3 was written along. So I have multiplied the whole equation by minus 3. And that's why you can see minus 3 has come here, minus 3 has come here, minus 3 has come here. It becomes plus 3. After that, what will I do? If you want to simplify right hand side, this part will become 1, and then you apply ln on both sides, right? So you can see I have applied ln on both sides. The whole thing I have written inside the bracket here. And then I will apply power law. It will come here. Okay, I'm using different colors here so that you can easily, understand the step. If it is same color, it is mostly difficult. Now this condition was given to you in the question. Okay, find out y when x is half. Let me show you the question here again. See, here it was given to you. Okay, find the value of y when x is half. And one thing here, I should take this minus 3 to this side because I have to make y a subject. Okay, so this is what I will do now. Here I have done it, and I have plugged in the value of x half to find the value of y. That was the next part of the question. So I'm simplifying here. You can see here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it is sine 2, right? So simple calculation I'm doing, nothing else. So this is my final answer. I hope you would understand. Please press like and subscribe me, and press like and share button. Share with your friends and press like and subscribe button. Okay. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.